Apple devices are usually reliable, but some iPads have started restarting repeatedly. If your iPad is stuck in a reboot loop, don't worry. In this video, we'll show easy and effective ways to fix it and get your iPad working again. Part 1. Why does my iPad keep restarting? Faulty charger or cable can cause restarts during charging. Overheating triggers shutdowns to protect the device. Outdated apps may cause restarts, update or reinstall them. Those problems might need a system reinstall. Part 2. How to fix iPad keeps restarting in 8 ways. Method 1. Hard reset your iPad. For iPads with home button, hold power plus home, Apple logo appears. For iPads without home button, hold volume up down plus top button, drag slider, then wait 30 seconds to shut down. Method 2. Check for battery health. If your iPad has been in use for many years, the battery condition may not be healthy. As a result, your iPad turns on and off unexpectedly. You can consider replacing the battery. By checking your battery health, go to Settings, Battery Health. Method 3. Clean up app caches and temporary files. Cache builds up, slowing your iPad and causing restarts. Go to Settings, General Storage, Manage Storage. Delete and reinstall large apps to clear cache. Method 4. Update iOS. After a new iOS release, your iPad may restart due to bugs in the old version. Update iOS to fix this. Go to Settings, General Software Update and install the latest version. Method 5. Delete or update apps. Delete the app. Tap and hold the app and select the X symbol to easily delete the app. Update the app. Go to the App Store, scroll down and tap Update to update a single app. Or you can tap Update All to update apps at once. Method 6. Reset all settings. When you make a lot of changes to the iPad, it can cause the iPad to keep restarting. At this time, resetting all settings is effective. Proceed as shown below on the iPad. Go to Settings, General, Reset all settings. Method 7. Try iOS System Recovery, no data loss. If you want to fix iPad keeps restarting issue quickly and don't want to lose any data, then iOS System Recovery is the perfect choice for you. It is a professional tool that can fix more than 100 kinds of problems on iOS devices. Step-by-step guidance how to fix iPad keep restarting with iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Double-click the download button above and follow the instructions to install and launch the iOS System Recovery tool on your computer. On the main interface, just choose the iOS System Recovery feature. Step 2. Connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cord and click on the Start button to move to the next step. Step 3. The tool will detect your iPad info. Confirm it and click Repair to start fixing the iPad keeps restarting issue.